1997 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just a little over 51,000 is all in this one. South Dakota vehicle, the majority of its life. 5.7 liter LT1 power automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at this front nose. One little scuff down here. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note the AC was in op, will need a little care. Bright red, dark charcoal interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll be able to see the top up, top down, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at that wheel. Technician noted brakes are 70% in the front, 20% in the rear, so those are starting to get down there. We'll also need a little bit of attention. Four-wheel disc brakes, by the way, complete exhaust front to rear. As we take a look down this passenger side, I'll also show you the top going up and down, how it functions. It is a power top, of course. Z28 floor mats have been added, and it will come with the original floor mats, as well as a car cover. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And we pretty much get every generation of Camaro through here at one point or another. A couple little scuffs on the rear here. A little bit of discoloration on that rub strip. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, put the top down, enjoy your summer. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a little closer look at this interior so you can have the 2+2 seating. Of course, your monitored amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see leather seating surfaces, a little wear in the bolster. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car this age. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's check out those exact miles. Like I say, a little over 51,000. There it is, 51,591. It's fired up. I think the tack is working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure coming up, battery, and fuel gauge. All the gauges look like they're working. No service engine, check engine soon, anything like that. AM, FM, cassette player. Radio working. Nice looking interior. Now if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take this for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road, and then like I said, I'll show you the top going up and down. Let's listen. Sounds like you'd expect. 5.7 liter V8 power. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood popped and check out this engine bay. Underside of the hood, nice and clean, and you can see the fog lights are working also down there. All right, engine bay, there it is. good. Looks good underneath there. Let me go ahead and pause this one more time. I want to get this tripod set up, show you how this convertible top works, and we'll also check out the condition of it. And the convertible top up. So as you can see, power top functions as it should. This one is black vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Let's take a look at the condition around the rest of it. Nice shape, doesn't look discolored. Have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. This is a glass rear window. Electric defog. Separated maybe a little bit down here, but doesn't look bad. I'd say overall you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. Side windows or side glass fit properly, nice and tight. Won't get a bunch of wind noise back around to the front. I guess what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Nice condition, like the rest of the car. All right, I will show you it folding back into the storage compartment, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro, Z28 convertible, a little over 51,000 miles, is all clean Carfax. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1997 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible and we have the top down today. An automatic transmission right here on the center console. This car looking good. Black interior, red exterior. Very responsive throttle. Sometimes you drive a car and you go, do I remember these running so good and having so much power? This is one of those cars. Handles great. Great acceleration. Even our horn's working. The temperature gauge coming up off of 160. The oil pressure 50 psi. Tachometer working, speedometer working. There is a little shake that feels like a tire, and it might be a flat spot just from sitting. They sit sometimes in storage. Speedometer is working, showing 50 miles an hour. This car has just over 50,000 miles and isn't even broke in yet, in my opinion. Battery gauge showing 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is over half. Stereo sounds great. I have not tested cassette, but FM is working. Brakes nice and smooth. Corners really flat. The kickdown works well on the automatic transmission. And again, we're up to speed quickly. Looks like brand new Z28 floor mats in this car. Nice looking leather bucket seats. This car is ready to take down the road and have some fun. Take a look at all the pictures of this Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.